Hello everybody and welcome back to TMG Trades. This is the second video for today because I wanted to update you on where Bitcoin's price is at. Now, on a macro time frame, essentially, this is Bitcoin's 1 minute chart. So you can't take too much information from this, but we are kind of in this descending pattern here. And if we break through this level here, which is very, very close to where we're at currently, if we break through this level here, currently sitting at around $36,200, Bitcoin's price is more than likely going to rise to the top of this resistance level. And if we zoom out on this chart and go to the 15-minute chart and show you exactly what the formation is currently looking like, I've shown you this in a number of most recent videos. If we break through this level here, essentially we're expecting to come up and reach this line around here. We should be around $38,000, bringing Bitcoin's price up around $2,000 from where it is currently. If that scenario happens, big things are going to happen to Bitcoin's price. If that scenario happens, I'm very much expecting Bitcoin is going to do the opposite of what everyone is expecting to do. Currently, everybody's expecting Bitcoin's price is going to dump very badly. I would say if we break through this level, and it looks very likely that we're going to break through this level, we could see a lot, because they've basically, in Ukraine and Russia right now, just to give you the live news update, essentially, they've banned withdrawals above $3,000 from Ukrainian bank accounts. Not only that, but most Ukrainian bank accounts are closed and all cash machines at this point in time in the country are empty. That has then meant that essentially nobody can get any cash, so that everybody needs to come up with an alternative solution. So they're using online bank accounts to buy cryptocurrency in order to spend cryptocurrency. So again, this is another one of those unfortunate scenarios that is causing a little bit of a mass adoption event. Given that scenario, I don't like to speculate on these things, but given that scenario, it does seem quite likely that Bitcoin is more of a necessity. US dollar stablecoins become more of a necessity, and demand for cryptocurrency increases despite the negative things that are going on in the stock market. But also, let me give you the downside scenario. If, in the situation where Bitcoin can't break above this resistance level, and I'm going to post this video literally seconds after it's been filmed, if we can't break above this resistance level and we get rejected from it again, we drop back down to around these levels here. These levels here are about $35,600. Say we drop back down to around $35,600, I'll be expecting Bitcoin's price to keep dropping, and it'll keep dropping very, very quickly. Now, if we look at the indicators and assess what is going on with the indicators right now, we're not going to go for lower time frame indicators, we're going to go slightly high time frame. Those high time frame indicators are indicating that Bitcoin's price has bottomed out at this moment in time. And if this is a bottom that we're forming, again, the 4-hour chart is indicating a very similar pattern right here. We have a bullish divergence because we have bearish price action, and yet the RSI is rising. That is a bullish divergence. So from my perspective right now, the cryptocurrency market is not actually looking as bad as what it looks like on the surface. And when you compare it to traditional markets right now, traditional markets have been dumping so very heavily. The Ukrainian market is down. This is the Ukrainian hryvnia. The Ukrainian hryvnia on the monthly chart is down, as I showed you in today's earlier video. The Russian stock market today is, of course, down. Because it's down, it doesn't show much sign of a recovery. I would not be buying the dip here, as I said earlier. And if you look at the value of the ruble continues to drop. It is down -6% today. The Russian stock market is down 33% today. And the hryvnia is actually up 6% over the course of the day, which is fascinating. I don't know how that's happened, but Bitcoin is looking like it may be forming a bit of a recovery pattern right now. And of course, if you are interested in trading, you find links and information in today's video description. But also, you'll find a link in there to PrimeXPT. And on PrimeXPT, not only can you trade Bitcoin, but you can also trade these traditional currency markets. So you can trade the ruble versus the US dollar. So you can trade all of these things. You can trade them with Bitcoin. And right now, during today's video, essentially, Chernobyl has just been captured by Russian troops. So that's not great news, but yeah, uncertain times. I have family over there, so for me, it's a bit of a concern. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to slap a like on the video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm going to post a video on the main channel fairly shortly. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.